Is the end of coronavirus near? Hello everybody, welcome to your channel that is Deep Dive. Before I begin this video, I want to thank all of you, those who have subscribed to our channel. Well, these days we are all wondering when this coronavirus pandemic will end. But before getting to this answer, it is very important to know a little bit about some pandemics that happened in the past, because this information will give an idea of how long a pandemic lasts. So let's take a deep dive. So the first pandemic I am going to talk about is the flu pandemic. It lasted almost for 1 year from 1889 to 1890, and just within a few months the disease killed approximately 1 crore people. The second pandemic is the Spanish flu. This pandemic almost lived for 2 years from 1918 to 1920. Approximately 50 crore people got affected with this virus. The third pandemic is the H1N1 swine flu pandemic 2009. This pandemic almost lasted for 1 year and approximately 5 lakh people were killed by the virus. Now comes the Ebola epidemic of West Africa. This almost lasted for 2 years from 2014 to 2016. And approximately 11,000 deaths were reported. I know now you have got the idea that the past pandemics lasted between 1 and 3 years. Now let's talk about our present concern, and that is coronavirus pandemic. And disease caused by the coronavirus is called COVID-19. Now, let me ask you one question. Do you know why the coronavirus is known as corona? Okay, think about it. I will tell you the answer at the end of this video. So now, let's move on. There are many reports claiming that novel coronavirus is getting weaker. Few days back, there was a viral post on Facebook claiming that according to a study conducted by the World Health Organization, the coronavirus is getting weaker. Several Facebook users have shared this post which says COVID-19 losing potency. However, India Today Anti-Fake News War Room has found this claim to be false. As per news reports, the top Italian doctor had claimed the same, but World Health Organization has rejected this claim, and according to this organization, COVID-19 is still a killer disease. So ultimately, there is no truth in this concept that the virus is getting weaker. Most of these reports are based on the fact that virus is mutating. In simple words, mutation is a change in structure. Yes, it is true that virus changes its structure over time. When a virus changes its structure, it either becomes stronger or weaker. However, it is unclear how it is going to impact on upcoming days, and there is no way to predict exactly what is going to happen. Nature doesn't work that way, and time will tell. A Singapore-based university has predicted the end of the coronavirus pandemic in 131 countries with the help of artificial intelligence. Some researchers are predicting the end of coronavirus just by looking at the pandemics that happened in history. And according to some researchers, it will not be right to predict the end of coronavirus just on the basis of past pandemics and how long they lasted. According to some astrologers, coronavirus will end in India between September and November. Honestly and frankly speaking, it is impossible to say if and when the coronavirus will die, because it is totally a new virus and research is going on. Hence, it is unpredictable. Now, here is the answer to the question, why is coronavirus known as corona? The word corona means crown because when the virus is seen clearly under microscope, it has crown-like spikes. In the end, I just want to say, don't believe on rumors and just rely on trustworthy news reports. Don't panic. Following simple hand washing and physical distancing guidelines are the best ways to help protect yourself from being exposed to the virus. I hope you liked this video, and to keep yourself updated, you can subscribe to our channel, and for written notes, follow us on Instagram. Don't forget to share this video with others. And remember, don't be negligent. Thank you so much.